Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are going to talk about a premium residential township in Bengaluru's rapidly growing electronic city corridor. The name of this project is Brigade Valencia, a Spanish themed development by Brigade Group, and in this video we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with the project overview. Brigade Valencia is a thoughtfully designed residential township inspired by the vibrant city of Valencia in Spain. Spread across approximately 24 acres, the project brings together elegant architecture, landscape open spaces, modern amenities, and a community focused lifestyle. Designed to offer a perfect balance of luxury, comfort, and convenience, the development features spacious 1, 2, 3, and 4 BHK residences across multiple high rise towers. With over 35 lifestyle amenities, expansive green spaces, and a grand clubhouse, Brigade Valencia aims to create a well-rounded living experience for families of all sizes. Whether you are a home buyer looking for a modern lifestyle or an investor seeking long-term growth potential, this project stands out as an attractive option in one of the Bengaluru's most established IT corridor. Talking about the location and connectivity, so one of the Brigade Valencia's biggest advantage, Electronic City Phase 1 is approximately 10 minutes away, while Electronic City Phase 2 can be reached in 15 minutes. Bommasandra metro station is also 10 minutes away from the project, offering convenient access to public transportation. Hosur Road is just 5 minutes away and Nice Road can be reached in 15 minutes. Major employment hubs such as Infosys campus and Wipro campus are also within 15 minutes drive, making daily commuting much more convenient for working professionals. The location combines excellent connectivity with a strong social infrastructure, making it a highly desirable residential destination. Talking about the amenities and lifestyle, so Brigade Valencia offers a wide range of lifestyle amenities designed to promote wellness, recreation, and community living. Residents can enjoy a grand clubhouse with modern facilities, a swimming pool along with a dedicated kids pool, a fully equipped gym, indoor games areas, balanced lifestyle where residents can relax, stay active, socialize, and enjoy quality time with family and friends within the community itself. If we talk about the configuration and pricing, so Brigade Valencia offers multiple apartment configurations to suit different family sizes and lifestyle requirement. The 1 BHK residences are priced from approximately 49 lakh rupees onwards. The 2 BHK apartments start at around 85 lakh rupees onwards, while the 3 BHK residences are available from approximately 1.25 crore rupees onwards. For buyers seeking larger homes, the spacious 4 BHK residences start from 2.90 crore rupees onwards. And one of the key highlight of the current campaign is the opportunity to own a 4 BHK at the price of 3 BHK. This limited period offer provides exceptional value for families looking for additional living spaces, dedicated work from home areas, larger entertainment hubs, or future-ready homes. Additional benefits include home loan assistance from leading banks, attractive pre-launch and spot booking offers, flexible payment options, and dedicated relationship manager support throughout the buying process. During your site visit, the sales team will walk you through detailed floor plans, model apartments, clubhouse amenities, tower positioning, open spaces, pricing structure, and available payment plans, helping you make an informed decision. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.